All right, I decided to do a little bit of a bonus here. What I showed you in the early part of the video was the how to propagate another moringa tree from a cutting that I did, and I also showed you how I kind of I'm trying to rejuvenate one of the ones I had in the pots. This is one that was started from seed just a few weeks ago, and you can tell it grows pretty quickly. So we're going to wait for it to get a little bit bigger, and then we're going to start trimming so we can encourage new growth to come out from the bottoms here. So I'm going to put that to the side. I also talked about the moringa seeds. This is one of the pods that we collected from the tree in the back, and you can tell it's pretty dry already. So when you pop that open, you can see a few of the seeds that we got from inside. And these, you can plant these, you can chew them up, you can use them for different products. See?
Yeah.
And you get quite a few of them from the pods themselves. So that's one of the reasons why I like to have the bigger tree as well. I use the smaller ones to get the leaves from, because I like to use the leaves for tea, but you can tell. Okay, so speaking of the leaves, this is some of the leaves that I had already dried from a crop last year that I used this to make tea. I mix it with lemongrass and ginger and a few other things to make a really, really delicious tea mixed with a little bit of raw honey. Perfect. But I also had some that was drying. Might want to pull it up a little bit. I had some that was drying, and to dry the moringa, all I did was just simply take some of the branches and I threw them into a paper bag. Simply throw them into a paper bag, and you fold it over and give it a shake every couple of days or so. You have to put it beside like a sunny window. So what I'm going to do is pour this out into a dish so that you can see what it looks like after it's dried.
So pretty.
And what I'm going to do, you notice all of the stalks are in here from the leaves. So we're going to simply clear all of this out until what we come down with, what we end up with is just all of the leaves in there. And what we do, if you wanted to, you could simply put all of the dried leaves into a blender and you pulverize it into a powder. Some people like the really fine powder. I just prefer to use it like this. You can sprinkle this onto salads. You can use it in tea. Now the fresh one is better on salad, but a lot of people like to use the powder. So to get the powder, all you simply do is you go ahead, you will simply clean all of these little sticks out, because this is from the branches and the leaves. And then we'll take the leaves and you put it into a blender and pulverize it into a little powder. And maybe I'll do a quick video on that one, and I'll post that to show you how easy that is to do as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video on moringa. Check back in a couple weeks and I'm going to show you the update on the clippings that we did from the branches, and as well as showing you how to do the moringa powder. And I'm also going to be showing you a lot of benefits of this particular tree. It's called the tree of life for a reason, but instead of talking about all the benefits, I'll just simply post a couple links that you can research, as well as some information inside the video as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If you're not a subscriber, click below subscribe. If you happen to like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, please, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.